Every single second you watch this video, over 75 burgers are handed to customers across the globe. By the end of today, that total number will hit 69 million. Yet, if you walk into a store in Tokyo, the burger you order tastes exactly the same as one in London or New York. Achieving that exact flavor profile 69 million times a day is physically impossible in a normal kitchen. Traditional chefs rely on instinct. They adjust seasoning based on taste, and they improvise when an ingredient behaves differently in the pan. In a global system, human intuition introduces variance, and randomness is the enemy of scale. If a recipe relies on a cook's judgment, the entire massive network breaks down. McDonald's doesn't actually cook food, they manufacture it. And to see how they pull this off without a single collapse, we have to reverse engineer the hidden layers of their production machine. Before an ingredient ever reaches a restaurant, it goes through a strict physical standardization process. At massive processing facilities, thousands of kilos of beef are pressed per hour into uniform circles of exact weight and thickness. Flash freezing locks the beef into a stable, identical baseline. This allows for transcontinental shipping with zero degradation in quality, ensuring the starting point is the same for every outlet in the world. From there, the units enter a zero-tolerance logistics network. Massive fleets of identical refrigerated trucks act as the physical arteries of this operation, moving frozen stock across the world on precise, rigid schedules. This macro layer of the supply chain treats ingredients like industrial components. The food is engineered to strict mechanical tolerances, so the global machine never runs out of parts. This diagram maps real-time inventory tracking across locations. When a store experiences a sales spike, the system pings a logistics hub. Moving from reactive to predictive, the hub dispatches a supply truck to intercept the projected drop before the store runs out. This data dictates behavior at the micro level too. If historical metrics show that a specific location sells 20% more Big Macs on a Friday night, the system automatically adjusts the kitchen's preparation schedule to match that exact volume. By syncing regional logistics with these historical sales patterns, the network ensures the required volume of food is already in position before the lunch or dinner rush even begins. Inside the kitchen, discard traditional cooking. This is an industrial assembly line. Look at the layout. Every station has a fixed role: a grill station, bun station, dressing station. Workers execute one single repetitive motion without spatial guesswork. The entire floor plan is built around a single equation: repetition equals speed, and speed allows for scale. To eliminate wait times, the components are prepared in advance. Buns are pre-toasted. Patties are cooked at exact temperatures and held in warming cabinets to maintain optimal heat. There is absolutely no room for improvisation. The ultimate benchmark of this microsystem is rapid deployment. The goal is to transform your order into a completed, packaged product in under 60 seconds. Inside this facility, your meal is never made from scratch. It is instantly constructed from strictly engineered components, guaranteeing zero variance from one tray to the next. Despite all this optimization, the perfect machine still has one major bottleneck: the human worker. Humans inherently get tired. They slow down during dinner rushes, and they make random errors. To solve this, the system is entering a new evolutionary phase. Locations are rolling out extreme automation, testing AI-powered drive-thrus and installing robotic fry stations that never require a break. Even the cashiers are being systematically bypassed. Self-order kiosks force the customer to interface directly with the predictive data network, entirely removing the human interaction from the transaction. As these final points of human friction are removed, the machine will eventually hit its absolute theoretical peak for both speed and consistency. McDonald's established the blueprint for absolute, scalable standardization. Their system proved that consistency could be manufactured at a global volume by removing individual skill from the process. This blueprint allows an unskilled person to walk off the street, put on a uniform, and within hours function as a precise gear in a mechanism that outputs thousands of identical products every single day. So next time you receive your meal in less than a minute, remember what you are holding. You are eating the physical output of the most ruthlessly efficient engineering system on Earth.